I got the new iMac. Pink. It's an accordion box. What? And this is the glorious pink iMac. I'm so excited about this. So here's everything else that's in there. We have the new Magic keyboard. This is the pink one, of course. Looks really nice. A pink braided lightning cable. Then over here is the Magic mouse. It's got that pink on the bottom, which looks really nice. But of course, the lightning port is also on the bottom. I don't know why they didn't put that on the side. You win some, you lose some. What is this? This looks like part of the power cable. This is the power block that has the built-in Ethernet jack on the side. And you can see that the cable has a kind of pinkish tone to it as well. It feels really nice, really high quality. We have some paperwork. And now for this spicy part, let's flip this around so you can see what I'm doing here. Ooh. Why is this stuff so satisfying? Alright. Oh, so soft. Should we do the back first or the front first? Let's do the back first. Let's do the back. Ooh. Ooh. It's not even my birthday. There's a little panel down here. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh, this makes my voice go up about 3 octaves. This is so freaking beautiful. It's hyper real. Those are the only words that come to mind, hyper real. I checked this out in the store and I was like, I actually love the red one and I'm probably gonna get that one or the orange one. All right, now we got this side thing here. This is also quite satisfying as well. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Why does this give me so much joy? All right, y'all ready for this? Let's give the front screen a little bit of an unwrapping here. What? Goodbye. Oh my gosh, y'all. What? I'm almost tearing up. What is going on? I'm almost tearing up at opening an Apple product. What? That has never happened to me before. What is up with that? I think I'm having this emotional reaction because this is really just, it's beautiful. It's absolutely remarkably beautiful. This red is gorgeous. And you can see the sides also have that same kind of red. And look at how freaking thin this is. Oh. When you get the upgraded version, it comes in at $14.99 and it has 2 Thunderbolt ports, 2 USB-C ports, and then a power button over here. And it's a pretty, simple machine in terms of aesthetics. And it actually, first impressions, it doesn't look that small. I thought 24 inches would be really, really tiny feeling, but this feels pretty substantial. And in the paper, let's see, you get just a really tiny manual, and then you get 2 different stickers. It looks like the dark red and then the kind of pink, but this has a shimmer to it, as does the red. So these look really cool for all of you that like to have the stickers. So you can see the red of the sticker matches the red of the iMac. The pink also matches the pink down here, does it? Yes, it even has the texture, that kind of glistening texture of this pink, this like brushed pink. And that Apple, this is why this stuff is so expensive, because it's done so freaking well. And this is the new Magic Keyboard Pink Edition. And of course, the biggest difference on this keyboard is it has a Touch ID button now over here to make purchases or put in your password or something. All right, so I got the power cable, got the power brick. This end goes in there like so. This end is magnetic and goes into the back of the iMac. So let's try that out actually. All right, so let's see. Amazing. Whoa. It's actually really strong too. And I like that you don't have to like be super careful about lining it up. You could tug the entire iMac just using the strength of that cable. I'm gonna try to not do that so I don't ruin this machine. Okay, the iMac is plugged in. So you can see it is loading up immediately almost. Turned on the keyboard. Let's turn on this mouse. I haven't used the Magic Mouse in quite a while. Hello.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Press return, English. Let's go. Okay, data and privacy, continue. So let's see, Migration Assistant, I'm gonna skip for now just to set this up as a new iMac. The iMac is really something that I'm testing out versus the Mac Mini M1 for my personal use to edit my videos, to do music production. And if you wanna check out my music, by the way, head over to Apple Music and Spotify and search for Ben Aqua. That's me. Share all my music with your friends. I highly appreciate all the support and plays and streams and shares. Find my there. Screen time, I'll just set that up later. Turn on file vault disk encryption. Cool, so now we're gonna set up Touch ID. Seems pretty quick, seems really responsive. All right, now it's saying choose your look. I'm definitely gonna go for dark mode. Dark mode with a pink iMac. I wonder if that's gonna look good, if it's gonna look crappy, I don't know. True tone display, I'm definitely gonna use that. And we're into the pink iMac. It is red in the background, and it kind of matches that red of the back of the iMac, like I was showing you earlier, this like nice deep red. So now that we're into the Mac, let's just open a few things and just see what happens. This is the M1 chip. This is a fresh install. It already feels really, really snappy just opening a bunch of random stuff. You know, opening music, podcasts, keynote, numbers. Everything is almost instant. I am such a huge fan of the M1 chip. And now that I have this giant Apple Retina display, 4.5K is what they call it, this looks absolutely phenomenal, and the side viewing angles are pretty good on it. And yeah, it's only 24 inches, which is not my ideal size. I would rather have at least 27 inches. This is obviously not a scientific assessment right here, but this is a 27-inch monitor, the Dell UltraSharp, and then this is the 24-inch iMac. So you can see the difference between the two, but you can see that the iMac is noticeably brighter than the Dell, and the iMac is also noticeably sharper, just with a quick inspection, like the text looks easier to read on the iMac. It's a weird feeling because I love the Mac Mini M1, but this is also beautiful. It has a webcam, it has built-in microphones, and this iMac is just built so well. It just feels really, really refined. And that's one of the most exciting things to me about this iMac is just how far Apple has come to refine a machine that's been around for so many years. It just looks like a statement piece, kind of. You're making a statement by getting a bright pink/red iMac, and I love that. It's extra. It's exciting. I know a lot of people wanted that black iMac, you know, even a matte black iMac Pro with the M2 chip or M1X. That's gonna be absolutely insane. But this iMac, the 24-inch, I really, really love this machine so far, and I'm excited to do more tests with it and a more thorough analysis on this machine versus the Mac Mini M1. Let me know in the comments what you think about the iMac, the 24-inch M1 iMac. Did you pick one up for yourself, and what color did you get? What do you think about it so far? I'd love to see y'all down in the comments. Also, come join us in the Discord channel. The link for that is in the description below. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really appreciate you watching. Smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video.